Camping tips and tricks so you can enjoy yourself. Taking the time to really research camping can ensure you have a successful trip outdoors. There is a bit more to this form of recreation than taking a tent and starting a fire. This video will give you a good deal of information that you can take with you on your next trip. When planning for your camping trip, don't forget to pack the sunscreen. Just because you are not on the beach doesn't mean that you don't need protection from the sun's burning rays. A sports sunscreen can be a smart choice if you will be doing strenuous physical activities during your trip. Remember to pack a camera. There are some memories you're going to want to capture on your camping trip. Bring along a small camera that can fit in your pocket. Try to pack something durable that could stand getting dropped or becoming a bit wet. Consider using a disposable camera. Set your campsite, tent and sleeping bags up before it gets dark. When adventuring in an RV, be safely parked before dark. Seek out flat, dry ground if you are roughing it with a tent. Choosing a site before night falls gives you an opportunity to get used to your surroundings. This can help you see what you are doing and prevent frustration. Collect more wood than you think you are going to need. Unless you go camping every day, you probably don't have an accurate idea of what enough wood actually looks like. You can always leave the extra wood in a pile as a gift for anyone that uses the campsite after you. As you can see, there are plenty of things you need to remember for your next camping trip. Many things will play a factor in your safety and the overall enjoyment of the experience. Use what you have read from this video, and you will have a better camping experience next time you go outdoors. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.